So, I've been wanting some Yeezys for like 4 years, right? Because they look cool, they're white, and I saw Dan Blazerian with them. Blazerian, you know what I'm talking about. And I was like, man, dude, those things look dope. 4 years later, I get them, right? And then I destroy them in like 3 days because I take them to the dog park. And then I walk past my car and I rub my foot on the car. And then it's just like they're black and brown. And then it's just, I destroyed them in like 3 days. So then I had to figure out how to wash them, how to make these things look brand new again. So I did. Now, how did I do it? I'm going to go in that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the unboxing. I'm going to go through that process. And then I'm going to go through what they looked like 3 or 4 days later. And then I'm going to go through the cleaning process. And then I ended up ordering a second pair of shoes because I liked the first pair so much. And one of these is fake, I found out. And we're going to go into that too, but on a different episode. Let's get into this Yeezy stuff. I'll show you how to clean some white shoes. You know, I'll show you how to clean a really dirty dog. Maybe later. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so here's the oh, is that them right there? You know what that is? That's from that. Scared, and then boom. You're just walking on by, and then boom. Now, how you gonna clean that off? How you gonna clean that off? I'm gonna show you how to clean it off. Got back from a bike ride. Let's check up on them, see how they look. They're looking pretty good. I think they're gonna even look better dry. But we're gonna want something to stuff in here into the shoes so they keep their shape. Alright, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I just took them from the laundry room and I took them outside to let them air dry because it's hot outside and it's windy, so it's almost like a blow dryer. So That is what we're gonna do. Alright, as you see, they're very shiny, very white. They're drying. We're gonna check up on them. That poison. Cusco! Alright, so the shoes are done. They look freaking fantastic. Take a look. Look at that. Remember that black mark that was there? It's gone. I still need to get that mark off, actually.